has been drifting around $100 per barrel for a few days now. More likely, the quotes will remain there until the end of the week. Market participants are awaiting the outcome of Joe Biden's upcoming meeting with the Saudi officials, at which he intends to urge the largest oil exporters to boost oil production. Although Biden's efforts are likely to be in vain, investors are not going to take risks. The outcome of his Middle East trip will become known only at the weekend. Thus, trading activity will hardly increase before the next trading week. According to the trading chart, Brent crude oil futures are hovering within the sideways range of $97.50 and $100. In fact, this indicates that market sentiment remains bearish. The volume of short positions will increase if the price fixes below 97.50, at least on the forward chart. Until then, there is a likelihood that the current stagnation may turn into a rebound from the support area. Yesterday's data on inflation in the United States supported gold prices. A steep rise in consumer prices allowed the yellow metal to post solid gains. However, speculation about the Fed's intention to take a more aggressive approach to interest rate hikes brought the quote back down. As a result, the asset slid to the level of $1,725 per troy ounce. Further rapid interest rate increases will inevitably lead to a decline in the gold prices, thus the metal may well drop below $1,700 in the very beginning of the next trading week. The downtrend will continue after the price fixes below the control level of 1,720, at least on the 4-hour chart. The Russian currency is confidently trading just above 58 rubles per dollar, but still cannot overcome this level. Nevertheless, the trend remains downward. Neither the Bank of Russia nor the government has yet taken any steps to weaken the national currency. Judging by the market behavior, official statements of their intention to lower the ruble were not enough to maintain a long-term uptrend. Thus, if nothing changes until the meeting of the Bank of Russia Board of Directors scheduled for next Friday, the ruble will most likely extend gains. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.